Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today I want to show you how to resolve mathematical reasoning problems. This is the 9th video, so let's get started. On a number series, in order to get the next number, you have to multiply the last element by 3, and then add 1. If the first element is 1, identify the fourth number. So I encourage you guys to pause the video and try to figure it out. In order to get the following number, you need to multiply 3 by the last element, in this case is 1, and then add 1. And this is 3 plus 1, 4. So the second one is 4. The third element will be 3 times the last element, in this case is 4, plus 1. And this is 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1, 13. The next number will be 3 times 13. Then we need to add 1. And this is 39 plus 1, 40. So we have that the fourth element will be 40. And this is the answer, 40. If we call it A1 to the first term, this is 1. The second term, we call it A2 sub 2, and will be 4. The third element will be 13, and the fourth element will be 40. And if we need to find the general rule in order to get the following number, but in mathematical and algebraic form, you have that A1 equals 1, and A sub n plus 1 will be 3 times A sub n plus 1. So what does this mean? Well, for example, if you want to know the following number, that is 1 plus 1, you have to multiply 3 times A sub 1 plus 1. And this is correct because A sub 1 is 1. And this is 3 times 1 plus 1. And this is 4. So the following number will be A2 plus 1. And this is A sub 2. But so the following number, A sub 2 plus 1 equals 3A sub 2 plus 1. And this is 3 times 4 plus 1. And this is 13. So the general rule will be this, as you can see. And the answer to the question is 40. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel so you can receive the new notifications. See you guys, I hope to see you in my next videos.